Hello, hi viewers. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and those who are new, please subscribe. Welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to travel through the hills. Got these hills, man. Hills are high, are like mountains, but they are in a remote area. These hills are also found in Kigezi region. Some part of Kigezi region in Uganda. As you can see, the hills are also interesting and amazing features. But even they have made me to worry. We are wondering what's up there. One time we shall go up there and we see also. What's up there? Is it flat? Is it a top hill? So now let's continue down and we see more. So meanwhile we can see what made this place too bare. Some parts of the hills don't have grass. People grazed there and made the soil too bare. Some of them they are rocks, as you can see. Who else would at least take a step and we climb together one time? Anyone willing, viewers? You can see. By the way, these hills are so interesting. They are made in such a way that each one is following the other one. And in between they are making small valleys. They're small, some they don't have valleys as I have seen them. By the way, this is also one of the interesting places, because there is someone has never seen hills. It's by morning time it was fog. It has fog. It was somehow cloud. That's morning time. So even these ones are somehow high. This one is one of the things that made me that was amazing. It was like around. The other ones were from each other, but this one was somehow round. So next time we shall go up there. Keep following me. I love you, friends. Keep it up, viewers. And more blessings, by the way. So always share, like, and recommend to your friends. Thank you. Next time soon we shall climb up and we see what could be there. What do you expect that's up there? So I also found this carpet. It was the what? It was in between the valleys, in between the two hills. So the landslides happened there, and there are holes. When landslides happened there, it made some holes. Those are the holes. But they are this thing, no, they are deep holes. One time, get time and visit this place. Yeah, thanks for viewing with me. May God bless you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment.